The abbreviation ADC stands for antibody conjugate. ADCs are targeted medicine that aim to deliver chemotherapy agents directly to the cancer cells. And this happens via a linker which is attached to a monoclonal antibody. The ADC market is growing rapidly due to the prevalence of cancer. ADCs are primarily being used in cancer treatment today, specifically for certain types of difficult-to-treat cancers like blood or breast cancer. ADCs are biological missiles. They are powerful, robust, and versatile. Unlike the traditional chemotherapy, which affects both healthy and cancerous cells, ADCs target only the cancer cells and hence reduce the collateral damage. ADCs represent a major step forward in precision medicine and mark a promising therapeutic option. Optima provides injectable filling machines, isolators, and freeze dryers specifically designed for handling highly potent ADCs. Our special feature is a complete turnkey solution. Optima offers advanced filling solutions for ADC products, whether liquid or powder. Our system ensures high precision, sterility, and containment during the filling process to protect both product and the operator. Yes, of course, our approach includes consulting services to help clients select the optimal filling solution based on their specific ADC product and production requirements.